In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can switch to an Instagram business account. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do is actually open up your Instagram, and from here, go ahead and click on your profile page by clicking the icon in the bottom right corner, and then select the three lines up at the top right to open up your settings and activity. From here, scroll down and you're going to see an option that says for professionals. Find the section that says account type and tools. Now yours might say creator, yours might say account, yours might already say business account. Select that and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Now to actually switch to a professional account, you just have to tap switch to professional account. It's going to pop up in this section. I've already done it. That's why it's not popping up for me. If you're already a creator, for example, you could just go down on this page and select switch account type, and it's going to bring you to a new page that looks like this. But from here, you just have to hit next a few times and put in some personal information, as well as choose what category best describes you. And after you do so, you'll be a professional account here on Instagram. Now, you can also decide if you do want this category to show on your profile. For me, for example, it does say I am a digital creator right below my profile picture there. So keep that in mind. That is an option for you to put on if you do want to do that. But overall, it really is as simple as that. You're now going to be on a business account with access to insights, promotions, and so many more tools to grow your brand. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.